Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to explain a recursive CTE. A recursive common table expression is a CTE that references itself. By doing so, the CTE repeatedly executes return subset of data until it returns the complete result set. So this is little bit complex, just we need to do more focus on that. That's it. So it has a three part. First anchor member, second is recursive member, and the last is termination condition. If the termination condition is specified in the recursive member, that terminates the execution of recursive member. Let me show you the flow, how does it work, then I will show the example. So first it start with anchor member execute, then this will work as an input for recursive member, and then termination condition get checks. When it's true, then the query execution will stop and will get the union of two result, union of this anchor member and recursive member. But when the termination has not happened and condition is false, then termination condition is false, then again again whatever output we get through the join in recursive member, this will work as an input for recursive member again, and I can say the output of first recursion will behave as a anchor member, and it will use as an input for next recursion. Let's see with the example. Now I am going to explain the example. So this is my query, and what is the goal? Like, I just want to achieve a hierarchy of employee. I want to get the hierarchy of employee, like first top management, then next level of management till last level of employee. So this is my query. So when I execute query, the first this anchor member will execute, and it will give me the top level, if top level of employee whose manager is null, means all top level employee who is not reporting to anyone. After that, this will be input for this recursive query. Okay, and this will be input for recursive query, and in this query I want to get employee who is reporting to first level of employee. So we can see the query e dot manager, employee dot manager is equal to CTE dot name. CTE means this query. So I just want to get the employee who is reporting to first top level of management. So in the first execution, I will have a top level of employee plus next top level of employee. So I will have two output, first top level of employee and then next level of employee. So I will have two output, and then what will happen in the next recursion, the second level of output that I got through that I am going to get through a recursive member, it will work as an input for third level of recursion, and termination condition is specified in recursive member only. So if the termination condition will match, like if e dot manager will not match with CTE dot name, then the condition will be terminated, and the condition will be terminated and the execution will stop, and I will get output union of like in output will have union of all output, like first level output, second level output, third level of output. So this is how CTE work. Let me execute this query. You can see like I got the hierarchy, first J, then J reports to Chuck, sorry, Chuck reports to J, then these are the people who reports to Chuck, and then Claudia, who reports to Claudia. We can see no one is reports to Claudia. Supriya, Amar, like these are the people who reports to Amar. So I got the hierarchy of employee from top level management to lower level management using CTE. So just look into the query and try to understand. This is not too difficult, but yeah, little bit logical. So second label who report to first label. Okay, if the manager of employee matches with top management, then I can say these are the employee who reports to top level of management, and then second level of employee who is reporting to top level of management. There may be some another employee who is reporting to second level of employee. So second level of employee will be act as a input for next recursion, and again the same condition will match. And the second level, like whatever I got through the output from the recursive member, the first recursion will be input for next recursion, and this will be keep continue till the termination of condition. Thank you.